you are also serious about your life, so this is the last video that you have watched, and this is the last challenge that you have take and complete the Phoenix challenge. First of all, we have to understand that why you have take Phoenix challenge instead of 75 or something else. So my dear friends, as you know about 75 hard challenge that contain 5 rules, but my dear friends, 75 hard challenge is really a tough challenge, and you are the laziest person. Yeah, you are the laziest person. You cannot complete the 75 hard challenge. But Phoenix challenge, I have make this Phoenix challenge on the medium level, not hard, not easy, on the medium level. First of all, let's understand why I take its name as a Phoenix challenge. So as you know that Phoenix is a bird, a legendary bird that dies or burns. Then with his ashes, he make himself anew. So it's about your life. You fail, and now you want to change your life. You want to make your new yourself. Are you understanding my words? That's why I take its name as a Phoenix Challenge. So, Phoenix Challenge contains 8 powerful things that you have to complete. First of all, is mind control. Yeah, your mind is your kingdom. No thought can rule it without your permission. That is the first thing that you have to remember. My dear friends, your mind is your kingdom. No thought can rule it without your permission. Yeah, that's really true. But most of the people cannot do it. So I have take 3 rules from there that you have complete. First rule is mind. First is mind control. You have control your mind. How you can control your mind? There are 3 rules. First rule is you have to sit every day 10 minutes alone, or you have to 10 minutes meditation. One, what you choose. First of all, my dear friends, take a notebook. Yeah, take a notebook. That because that's very. I will tell you too many things. I don't think that you can remember these things. So as I tell, first thing is meditation 10 minutes or 10 minutes alone. Next thing is whenever your mind contain negative thing, whenever negative thing come in your mind, you have to tell aloud, delete. What you have to tell? Delete. Just imagine your mind is telling, go watch mobile. You have to tell delete. If whenever negative thought come, you have to tell delete. Okay, that is the second rule. Third rule is you have to wait guys. Yeah, you have to daily write one thing that you improve. Okay, now next thing is digital clean. Your phone will serve you, not you serve your phone. Yes, my dear friends, you have to, I will tell also some rules that you have to follow. Digital clean, that is the second thing. So first rule is on digital clean. First rule is no social media without education. You can use social media but only for education. Without education you cannot use social media. Second thing is no useless scrolling and no useless videos, useless contents. Are you understanding? Okay, you can watch my contents because my contents are full of education, full of challenge, full of good things. Okay, rule number 3 is first whenever you wake up, first 1 hour of morning, you don't have use your phone, you don't have touch your phone. And yes, in evening you also have don't touch your phone. And before night, before 30 minutes of sleep, when you go for sleep, before 30 minutes you don't have touch your phone. Yeah, that is also, yeah, that you have to follow. Okay, take a notebook, my dear friends, take a notebook. If you complete this challenge, I promise you guys, you will become the bestest version of yourself. Now thing is, a strong body creates a strong life. Yes, you also have to train your body, but I will tell you simple steps that you have to train your body. You don't have to work out for 45 minutes because you can't. You are the laziest person. Yes, I am also lazy. No, I'm not lazy, I was also lazy. So in body power, what you have to do daily, you have to 20 push-ups, 20 squats, 20 jump jacks, 30-second plank. Okay, now next thing is every morning whenever you wake up, take 1 glass of water. First of all, take a 1 glass of water, and no junk food and no sugary things. That is also important thing. And yeah, one more thing: sleep before 11, wake up before 6:30. Yes, that's also important rule. Now, next is study and skills. Next is about study and skills. So every day you grow 1% more dangerous in knowledge. Yes, my dear friends. Yes. So what you have to do daily, you have study 2 to 3 hours with full focus, and daily you have learned one new thing, one new skill, not one new skill. Where we was, yes, daily you have to study for 2 to 3 hours, and daily you have work for one new skill. And third thing is daily you have track your process. What you are doing, you have track in a notebook. Okay, my dear friends. 5 is your energy is precious, so don't waste it on useless things. Energy control. No energy, you no waste useless energy like on the bad things, on angry, on unnecessary dopamines. Don't you waste your energy. Okay, whenever urges come, you have to act. You have to convert urge into action. You have to do 20 push-ups or a run or take cold shower in your face. Okay. Whenever you got angry, whenever you have tell someone tell you something, so take a pause before react the emotion. Take a pause. Okay. Now next is purpose. Okay, you have to next thing is purpose. I'm not here to be average, I'm here to lead. Yes, my dear friends, you are not here to be average, you are here to lead. So what you have to do, you write your why you want self improvement. Write why in the notebook. Why you want self improvement. Okay. Now that is also important thing. Now next thing is a peaceful mind is the strength. What is a peaceful mind? A peaceful mind is the strength. Peace and yeah, peace. Before going to bed, before going to sleep, you have to write three things that you are grateful today, that you do well today, and write your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Okay, smile and mm, make your life and go your life, because smiling is one of the important thing. Okay, don't be every time serious. Take time with yourself also. Okay, now last thing is warrior discipline. Never avoid discomfort. Avoid you don't have to stay sit in discomfort comfort. You have to avoid it. You have to go in a discomfort area. Okay, now next thing is you have to work. And every morning when you wake up, go in the mirror and tell, old me is, take your name, like as my name is Faizan, old Faizan is gone, new Faizan is rising. Okay, what you have to tell, old Faizan is gone, new Faizan is rising. You have to tell, because Shah Rukh Khan was also telling himself every day in the morning that I am best, and he become best. You will also gone and new will be rise. That is also important thing. So we will meet again. Till then, suggest me next topic. Inshallah, we will meet again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.